Today we're going to be making a dish that'll be sprucing up your traditional chicken breast. Take 2 of these jars of roasted red peppers, put them into a pot, and just nicely cut them up. Bowl, pot, whatever. Adding some leftover, we're going to be adding some leftover mushrooms. Couple squirts of this dill paste. Ingredient for this dish that we call mayonnaise chicken. Good old-fashioned mayonnaise, real deal. You can probably get the low-fat stuff too, but you know, over here we're eating good. So what we're doing is we're butterflying cut the chicken. This is very good.
It helps it cook faster and gives more surface area to the mayonnaise mixture. Beautiful job.
So like she said, this is why we cut them. Gives us more surface area to put more of the mix. Helps with cooking it quicker and keeping it more tender, because we find when the breast comes down to this end of it would be much more juicier than the top end. And I don't know why, but it just is what happens. We added some of this, some of that, good old this, turns it into that, and we put that on top of this. So after spreading the mix, this is what she looks like, nice and full. But why she's like that, because we're gonna be doing some nice rice from Ben's Original. And what you can do is you can scrape off the mix and mix it into the rice. And it's, you know, extra good. So this is some panko breadcrumbs that we're going to be spreading on the top to help give it a nice texture and crust. We can be liberal with it and just everyone gets a good coating, you know? And then for a little color, just to pretend like we're healthy, add some of these parsley flakes. Jesus, I cannot speak today. Bada boom, bada bing. Put it in oven at around 425 for like 30 minutes. Depends on how hot your oven gets overall. Because some say 425, but that should be more like 525, you know what I mean?